In this tutorial, we'll see how to import a list of contacts in a project in which the Consent Center is enabled. To start, here's the contact list to be imported. I know that all the contacts on this list have subscribed to my newsletter, so I want to import them in Dialog Insight and subscribe them automatically to my newsletter. In the application, go to the Contacts menu and select Import. Start by selecting the file to import. Choose the destination. In our case, we want to import the file's content in our current contact list. Then select the import type. In most cases, the complete import type is used. This type adds new contacts and updates the ones that are already in our list. Depending on your needs, you could choose to only add the new contacts or to only update the existing ones. Click to continue. You arrive on the page where you map columns to the project fields. We see on this page first the columns from the imported file, then a sample of the content of these columns, and in the last column, you select the field in your project where you want to import the data. By enabling the Consent Center, an additional option is offered. In our example here, we are only going to subscribe contacts by checking the Opt-ins Only option. Then, when you click Continue, the application displays the opt-ins that are available in your Consent Center. In our example, we know that all the contacts that we are importing have subscribed to our newsletter, so I check the newsletter option and then continue. Your contacts will automatically be imported as subscribers at the date of import. The result of the import shows that 239 contacts will be updated in my list. If this seems correct, click Approve. To show you how this looks for a contact, we're going to open a contact's profile. To do so, start by performing a search. Then open a profile. You'll see opt-in fields at the bottom. These show that the contact can receive the communication type newsletter, as the status is subscribed as of January 25th at 3:49 p.m. This means that you can send newsletters to this person. So this is how contacts are imported and subscribed at the same time.